Welcome to Slow English Stories.
You were driving home after a long day. The road was wet. A truck lost control and hit your car from the side. It all happened so fast, and now you're here.
So I died.
Yes, but don't worry. It was quick. You didn't suffer.
And now I go to heaven or somewhere else.
You're not going anywhere yet. First, we talk.
Who are you?
I am God. You may call me Tracy, if it helps.
God. Right. I feel like I should ask more, but I don't even know what to think. What happens now?
You will be reborn. You will live again as someone else.
Someone else, like another man.
Yes, or a woman, or a child, in a different time, in a different place.
Different time? Wait, you mean I'll go back in time?
Time, as you know it, only exists in your universe. Here, it's all at once. You will live every life, past, present, and future.
Every life?
Yes, every human life ever lived. You are everyone.
That's a lot. So, I was Abraham Lincoln?
Yes,
And Hitler?
yes,
And the millions he hurt?
also yes,
And the people he killed?
yes. You were the soldier and the prisoner. You were the mother crying for her child and the child.
And the doctor who saved lives?
You were him too, and the nurse, and the man who brought food to the hungry, and the hungry person.
If I was everyone, then when I hurt someone, I was hurting myself.
Exactly. And when you showed kindness, you were helping yourself. Every moment of pain or joy you gave it to yourself.
So, what's the point?
To understand, to grow, to become more complete.
Complete. Like you.
Yes. One day, after you have lived every life, you will be like me, a god.
So, this world?
This world is an egg, a place for your soul to grow.
And now?
Now, you rest a moment, and then you begin again.
I think I understand. I think I'm ready.
Wow, that was intense. I mean, I was the soul in the story. But now I'm back. Just me, David.
And I was playing God, that voice, serious and calm. But don't worry, I'm back too. Just Tracy now.
I feel like I need a deep breath. That story always gets me. Not because of how it ends, but because of what it means.
Yes, the egg isn't just a story about life and death. It's about how we are all connected, spiritually, energetically. It's saying you are not just a person, you are every person.
That idea that we live all lives, that's a huge shift. In most religions, we imagine a soul going from one life to another, right? But here, it's not just reincarnation, it's total interbeing.
Exactly. You're not only reborn, you're reborn as everyone. Your soul doesn't just grow from one path, it learns from every path. The rich and the poor, the kind and the cruel.
That part about being both the mother and the child, the killer and the victim, it's uncomfortable, but also beautiful.
It teaches empathy. You can't hate someone so easily when you understand you are them. What you give to others, you give to yourself.
I think that's the biggest idea here. Every action comes back, not through karma, but because it was always happening to you.
Exactly. That's a deep spiritual truth, and also a philosophical one. By living all lives, the soul becomes more whole, more aware, until one day it becomes like God.
You know, that reminds me of the line, "This world is an egg," a place to grow, to learn, to prepare for something greater.
Yes, a spiritual nursery. And the universe? It's just one of many places where souls are born. Let's slow down for a second and look at just a few key phrases.
One was, "You were everyone." Grammatically, that's past tense, were. But in the story, time isn't linear. So, you were also means you are, you will be. It breaks the normal rules.
Another important one is recognizing yourself in others. That feeling like you've met someone before, even though you haven't, that's not just emotion. That's the soul remembering.
So, after this episode, I just want to say if you've ever hurt someone or helped someone, maybe now you'll look at it differently.
And maybe the next time you feel a strange connection to someone, you'll remember this story.
Because maybe you've already been them. Or maybe you will be.
Before we go, we'd love to hear from you. After hearing the egg, what thoughts came to your mind?
Did it change how you see life or death? Did it make you wonder, who have you already been?
Or maybe, who are you becoming?
Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every one. And sometimes your ideas become part of our next episode.
And if this story stayed with you, share it. Not just online, but with someone who might need to hear it.
Until next time, stay open, stay aware.
And keep growing. Because remember, this world is your egg.